Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to win ink game every single time. If you're tired of losing an ink game, I've got a full strategy that will have you winning every single time. No complicated tricks, just the smartest, fastest way to rack up wins and cash out big. When you get the end game choice, here's the secret. Don't go for the solo final fight. Instead, vote to stay and trigger the rebellion ending. Even if only 1 or 2 players vote to stay, you'll head into a team fight against guards. It's faster, safer, and way more reliable. Stick close to your teammates, take out the guards, and sprint to the helicopter. This ending not only pays out a solid chunk of one, but also gives you power rolls, which unlocks permanent abilities that makes every future match easier. Of course, to even reach that point, you'll need to survive the minigames. Play smart and patient. Sometimes it's better to hang back than rush ahead. Each minigame you survive adds to your one total, and those smaller payouts build up quickly. On top of that, don't forget the AFK World Rewards, about 5 million won every 15 minutes just for being away from the game. If you have VIP, that's boosted by 25%, making it the easiest passive income in a game. When it comes to upgrades, spend your money wisely. Start with 1 boost, since every level increases your payout per win. Max that out early so everything you do gives you more cash. After that, invest in strength and speed, so you can push opponents and move faster during games. And once you start getting power rolls, grab the best powers you can. Lightning God for quick burst, Phantom Step for dodging, or Medic to keep teammates alive. These abilities gives you a huge edge in both minigames and the Rebellion fight. So the formula is simple: go for Rebellion wins, survive as many minigames as possible, collect your AFK cash, max your 1 boost, and stack powerful abilities. Simply follow this flow and you'll be winning ink game almost every time. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.